stop playing with them.
BULLIES in his bitch. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the gardeners, they're doing their job. I don't have a mirror. I'm really gonna only be looking at the, what do you call this, the display thingy. But yeah, I'm gonna do my hair. I just got it in a ponytail for now. So I'm gonna be using my Lorac Take a Brow. I like always use this to do my brows and whatnot.
From the bar, please do respect. I only fuck with 5 stars, and I don't reply back unless that's
So shorty, stop playing.
I just got an interesting phone call and it kind of just almost pissed me off. But yeah, it is what it is. I just don't understand how grown adults, heavily 15, 20, 30 years older than me, act like kids. Yeah, I'm gonna try not to let that stress me out, and I'm gonna try not to let it make me have a bad day, because I cannot give anybody that kind of power to piss me off. I am not at work. I am having a goddamn great day. I'm gonna continue to have a great day. So if you ever feel like somebody is trying to tick you off and push your motherfucking buttons, do not let them, okay? Do not let them. Don't give them that power. Before I go in with my concealer for my brows, I'm gonna prime my face. And to prime my face, I'm gonna use the men's post-shave balm. I don't know, I haven't been not using it, so I don't have any issues. Like, I don't know if I like it. I like that it gets tacky. To conceal our brows, I'm gonna go in with my NARS in the color Biscuit. This is like my favorite thing to snatch my brows. It's literally perfect. Yeah, I haven't always been the bigger person. Like, I just rather be the correct person, you know, like, no, you're wrong. That's it, let me give you the facts of why you're wrong. That just takes too much effort, especially when people are set in their own ways, you know, people are lazy. I really wish that I could honestly tell you what's going on. Eventually I will, you know, like, for now, we're still here. So we're not going to be negative. Let's just say a little prayer. Let's a moment of silence for them, because okay, well, moment of silence for today. I'm really not trying to do anything too spectacular. Oh, I'm just taking my badescu. Mind you, this is not my favorite setting spray. It's not. I prefer the Jerlic Rosewater Balancing Mist. Is legit the shit. But I'm gonna use my NARS today in the color Tahoe. I actually like this foundation. Even though I don't really want to waste it, I really like it. Yeah, I'm gonna just go straight in from my beauty blender. You guys can see it's kind of tan, and I'm not gonna be contouring my face with a cream. So this is going to be perfect. And this is really like my 20-minute routine when I want to be like a bad bee. I haven't put anything on my neck, and it's a whole vibe, you see. Honestly, hands down, one of my favorite makeup brands, especially for women of color, is NARS. They have a lot of ranges. They have a lot of different styles. I mean, not styles, but different types of makeup foundation. Like if you're looking for dewy skin, flawless skin, matte skin, NARS is really the way to go. And I don't want to stress this enough that makeup is solely up to you and what you like. Because if you're confident in wearing blue highlight or blue contour, you're gonna do you, you know? Nobody's gonna stop your roll because you feel confident. So never, and I mean, don't ever let anyone tell you, and I say this a lot, but don't ever let anyone tell you you got too much nose highlight. Because people used to tell me that all the time. Like, bitch, I like my nose highlight. You don't got enough nose highlight on your face, you know? Like, just mind your business. And people don't know how to mind their business. And when people don't know how to mind their business, I think it's your duty. Like, let's say somebody comes up to you and they're like, yo, your eyebrows are too thick. You say, I like my thick eyebrows. Thank you. I wish you had more confidence to rock thick eyebrows. Maybe you're just scared. Maybe you're a scary cat. But I'm cool. I'm over here rocking my thick ass eyebrows and I like them. So if I like them, then that is what it is. You know, I'm just not a fan of when people, you know, their opinions are just so heavily, no, it's my way. Like, and they're talking about you. Like, no, it's my way or it's no way. Bitch, this is my life. Yeah, I don't know if you guys deal with people like that, but I try to eliminate them out of my life so I don't have to, you know. I don't know if you're here to bully. I do not play with bullies. Like, oh, I'm not here for that. BULLIES and this bitch is not here for none of that bullshit. But yeah, I've been working on my album. It's gonna drop in September. Stay tuned for that. It's called Incredibly Inconsiderate. It's a lit time. Okay, so for my concealer, I'm gonna go in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Ginger. Okay, so we brought it down the bridge of our nose. We're gonna bring it on our Cupid's bow. Of course, our chin. And I'm gonna also just bring a few of these stripes on my forehead. Okay, so for my under eyes, I'm going to use the NARS Soft Matte. It's the same color, it's Ginger, but this one is the soft matte one. And I'm gonna go directly in with my finger and begin tapping that into my under eye. I did this yesterday and it was a complete vibe. So I would love to know what kind of makeup looks you guys wanna see. I enjoy makeup, okay? Makeup is my #1 love. Then comes doing hair and everything else, but I really enjoy all the funness that makeup has and entails, and the fact that it's so fun. I really had fun doing Halloween makeup looks and, you know, all that kind of fun stuff. But yeah, so this is cool. This is a sufficient amount. I'm gonna go with my Badescu setting spray. I'm going to spray my beauty blender with that, just so, you know, it's damp and it really blends everything out. Beauty blender. I like to do my under eyes last. Do that. I have never really experienced a concealer that has not creased, you know, so I don't know if you've experienced a concealer that actually hasn't creased. I mean, this NARS is great, but I mean, eventually it creases. I used the Shape Tape once. My friend Joy, she had it. I was like, girl, let me try this. I think I liked it, I don't know, but under my eye it was a bit dry, so I don't know if that was the concealer's fault or the concealer's fault. So I don't know, I guess I could give it a try again, but, and we are not going in with a cream contour. So I wanted to talk to you guys about this little method of boiling your beauty blender in the microwave, which I think is completely stupid because you're like, the way I wash my beauty blender, I literally, I'll show you guys, but I'm gonna do a whole video on how I wash my makeup brushes because it's not rocket science. And I think that this microwave method is going to eventually start cooking your fucking beauty blender, which is stupid, you know. So I don't think that that's innovative whatsoever. You can simply wash your beauty blender with some Dawn, some antibacterial liquid soap, and call it a day instead of having to cook your beauty blender. That's so stupid. Like, oh my God, let me tell you guys what this girl says. So this girl comes up to me and is like, how many people are you gonna have? Where are you gonna have it? She was like 99 questioning me. Yeah, she was just like, why did you choose to get a marriage? Like, why did you choose to get married? Why don't you just save your money? And I'm like, you don't value your relationship? Like, well, she wasn't in a relationship, she has kids. I just don't understand why people feel the need to monitor your life when their life isn't together. It's like, if you focused on yourself. Yeah, this is just what I've been going through. I just don't understand why people feel the need to chime in, especially when you don't ask. It's like, I feel like you're being rude, so you can't be mad at my responses. You think that I'm being rude, because I thought you was being rude. We're gonna just tab it in. Definitely gonna get the sides of my nose because I noticed that on the sides of my nose and like this little area right here, because I talk a lot. So my favorite powder is Cover FX. If you notice that I use a lot of the same products, it's because I don't like wasting my money. But yeah, I'm gonna start wasting my money so I can do a bit more reviews, and because I genuinely love makeup, so I'm over here just talking. But yeah, I'm just pressing this all over my face. This is the N60 Pressed Mineral Foundation Powder by Cover FX. So in the future, I need to get me a concealer, my shade, just for my problem areas. Like I got some problem areas down here. So concealer, my shade, would take care of that so I don't have to like OD on the foundation. Now I'm gonna go in with my handy dandy e.l.f. brush and I'm going to just begin dabbing and wiping away this airspun translucent setting powder. So you already know that I'm gonna go in with my True Radiance contour palette. This is in the shade light to medium. It has a whole guide on it. Like, you know, you can contour your face with this shade. It says contour, it says highlight, it says sculpt, it says highlight. So it gives you where to actually put it on your face. Yeah, if you notice that it gets patchy, because you can see that it's kind of patchy, what I do, I go in with a bit more, okay? So, this is my trick. And then I'm gonna show you what I do after that. But I don't know about you, but I'm here for sculptation. I'm not scared of sculptation. My camera overheated and it's interesting because I don't have a ring light, I'm just using natural light. The room itself is not even cold or anything like that. I mean, it's not hot. So I don't understand how camera overheated. So now I'm gonna go in with some blush. The blush really just helps, it really helps to set, you know, make everything come together. So I'm gonna be using pamplemousse, this like fluffy brush, and I'm going to just smile and add my blush, smile. I'm gonna take my Trophy Wife Fenty Beauty. I really like this. And I typically top it off. Oh, this is a bunch. And I just add the highlight on my brow bone. Like when I want to keep it simple, I will OD on highlight, and then we're gonna be sure to put it on our eye. I'm gonna also bring it down my neck so I'm sparkly. This is really my thing, so. Honey, honey, honey. And I'm gonna just take this down the nose. So however you like your nose is how you'll contour it. If you don't want to contour your nose, you don't have to. I just, you know, gotta PSA that. I don't understand why people are just so negative. Why do you contour your nose? Because I want to, bully. You know, like shit. I like to dust it on the sides, just so on the side, you see me, I'm glistening. Okay, so it's like subtle for me, because I typically use that bow highlight, you know. We are going to set our face with badescu spray, and we're gonna overly set our face, okay? For my mascara, I just used the Sephora Outrageous. For my lips, I'm gonna go in with the Clinique in the shade Blushing Pop. This is really a cute color. It reminds me of like Better Than My Own lip complexion. Fenty Beauty Gloss Gum, or you can keep it, you know, by itself. So for the hair, we could take her out of the ponytail. I haven't done anything at all. These baby hairs are from yesterday. I will just comb it out a bit. I'm gonna just take my Got To Be Blue toothbrush. So I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.